Hello and welcome again to Hindi Learning Made Easy. This is Vocabulary Series Part 2. Please recall that in Part 1 we are learning Word of the Day, where we learn one Hindi word and side by side we also learn few basic Hindi words and little Hindi grammar. In this part 2, we will be learning naming words. In this video, you will learn names of basic colors in Hindi. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to do the quiz based on colors which you have learned in this lesson. So let us start. Color in Hindi is rang. Rang. You can see the boy image here, which shows the gender of the word rang is masculine. Speak with me. Rang. First color is red. Red is lal. Lal. Speak with me. Lal. Next color is yellow. Yellow in Hindi is peela. Peela. Speak with me. Peela. Next color is blue. Blue is neela. Neela. Speak with me. Neela. Let us learn next color as green. Green in Hindi is hara. Observe that it is not hara, it is hara. Hara. Speak with me. Hara. Let us learn pink in Hindi. Pink is gulabi. Gulabi. Speak with me. Gulabi. What is orange in Hindi? Orange in Hindi is narangi. Speak with me. Narangi. Narangi. Next color is violet. Violet is bangani. Bangani. Do you see N is underlined in the word? That is for nasal sound. It's not to be pronounced. So how will you say? Bang, bang, bangani. Speak with me. Bangani. Let's revise. Lal. Lal. Peela. Peela. Neela. Neela. Hara. Hara. Gulabi. Gulabi. Narangi. Narangi. Bangani. Bangani. Now this is the time you can start your Pictionary. I would request you to take a notebook and find some colored pictures as I have done in this screen. You can paste the pictures in your notebook and write their colors. Write in Hindi. And slowly we will be building up our dictionary. In this lesson, we have learnt names of 7 basic colors. Let me see how many names do you remember. Let us do the color quiz. Any color will appear on the screen, and what you have to do? You have to speak the name of that color. So let us start. Here we go. The first color is Peela. The next color, Hara. Next color, Gulabi. Yes. Next one, Lal. Are you getting all right? Next color, Narangi. The next one, Neela. And the last one, Bangani. So, did you get all right? If you didn't get all correct, keep playing the video till you get all correct. In the next video, we are going to learn some more colors. Comment down below how many did you get correct. I would request you to learn these colors by looking these colors around you. And if you see any of these 7 colors, speak the name of that color in Hindi. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Keep learning Hindi with me. धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.